I'm always wanting to capture my screen, do a screenshot, screen grab, create a video of whatever's on my desktop screen. And I've always had the problem of finding something that, does everything that I want, which could be a simple screen grab or capture or video creation, or do an annotation over top of it. The other thing too is oftentimes I find something that I like, but I have to pay for it. Well, I have an answer for you, and that is the AVer CaptureShare software. It's free and it'll do everything that you really need to do. So how do we find it? Just go to averusa.com/education. So you're going to find this. You're going to go to products, click on product, and you're going to see where it's going to say software. So let me go back here again, and we're going to see software. There are several different ways, there are several different things that you're going to see. It depends on if you're opening up in a small window or your full screen. But here we're going to see our products, and I'm going to go to, like I said, software, classroom software. Click on that, and there it is, CaptureShare. Click on CaptureShare, and you can go ahead and take a look and read what CaptureShare can do for you. But you scroll all the way down here, and it's going to say download. Click on download, and here it is. You can go ahead and download it from there. I've already downloaded the software, so let's take a look and see what it looks like and what I can do. Let me minimize that window and click to open CaptureShare, which I've already done so, and you notice that there are a row of icons over here. So this is where we're going to control everything that we want to do. So if I want to screen capture just the camera, click on that, it clicks and it saves it. Now if I want to capture a video to create a lesson plan or something like that, I can do that very easily by clicking on the video camera. Click on that. Let me move this out of the way. And I just hit the record button. So I hit that, gives me a countdown of 3, 2, 1, and now it starts to record. It's recording everything that's on the screen. I can annotate while I'm recording as well. So I click on the annotation tool, and there it is. I'm doing my annotation, whatever I need to do. I'm pointing at the moose out here. There it is. But what if I want to make a change, or what do I do if I want to move some of these items around? So I can do that really simply as well. So what I need to do is come over here in this box right below the camera, click on that. That's my selection tool. There it is. I've selected it. Now I can move this anywhere that I want to on the screen. So now I may be talking about the mountains, but I could talk about the moose, the water, the trees, whatever it is. So this again is a free tool called CaptureShare, and it is by AVer, and it's very easy to use. If you have any questions about it, please reach out to me. My name is Chuck, and I can be reached at chuck.tuck@aver.com. Thanks for watching.